We got another unboxing. So, I'm sure you're wondering what this is. If you don't know what it is, it's another coffee brewer. We're going to be reviewing it, talking about it, exploring it. This is simply just my first impressions of it. This is called a UFO. I did see this at the Coffee Expo. I was kind of intrigued. I saw somebody playing around with it, but it's another brewer. This is what it looks like. I didn't get any of the cup. Figured that you can just put a regular cup on it, or I'll just get one myself. I'll probably end up buying it anyway. But this is what it looks like. It has a unique shape on it. It's not a V60. I don't know what it is. 70, 80. I don't know the shape of this really. Don't have the filters actually yet. I thought I could just put the Hario V60 filters on it, and I think you can. You have to do some type of weird folding and all that stuff, but we'll worry about that later. So again, question we always have to ask ourselves, mainly you, because I've already bought it. I'll play around with it. We'll see if it's really good or not, and then we'll just go from there. This is ceramic. It's nice. It feels good in the hand. It's nice, heavy weight to it. I don't have any complaints whatsoever with it so far, besides it being $58. $58. The filters are about $12 for $50. The filters are already twice the amount of the Hario V60 filters. Even slow filters, fast filters, no matter what. I wonder, curious to see if these are already automatically fast filters. So let's go ahead and make a cup and just see what it can do. I think for now, what we're going to be using is either Kalita Wave or April Dripper filter. But let's talk about the uniqueness of it. Again, the shape is already kind of more open. So it's almost flat. This is the flattest I've seen it, besides it being a glorified flat bottom brewer. Opening is relatively big. It has grooves in it to, I guess, help channel the water. And this is something that I guess people like, the fast filters, the fast brewers. So we're gonna see what it's all about. I think we're gonna be working with about 7 grams of coffee, Colombian coffee I've been playing around with. And then we'll just see what it can do. I don't know the max of this brewer, but we're already seeing that it's not really taking advantage of the grooves or anything on the side of the thing. And supposedly it's really good with heat retention because it's ceramic. Seems like it's, I don't know the speed of it, but we'll finish this brew up. Doesn't seem too fast. Could be the filter. That's the second pour. We're gonna do another one. It's relatively slow. Surprised by that. We'll see how it tastes. Again, that's the most important thing, right? So it's just about being done. We'll play around with our own recipes. I have so many different recipes about this actual brewer online. I tend to not listen to any of those because it's a recipe. Most or all of them work, and it's kind of dependent on the coffee. But again, story for another day. So let's do a taste test. I'm sure it's gonna taste like coffee. Cheers. Okay, seems richer. Less than 2 minutes of brew. It just seemed like it took a very long time. Oh, there we go. The acidity's coming out a little bit more, but it's pleasant. It's not offensive, at least not yet. Okay, it's fine. It makes coffee. It's supposed to make coffee, right? It's supposed to do a decent job of making coffee. But this is $60. That's quite a bit of money for a dripper that doesn't have a handle, that doesn't, it didn't even come with a wooden thingy. You have to buy that separately. I didn't buy that, like I said. I think it presents the coffee just as good as any of the brewers that I've been using. And again, the question is, do you need this? I've already bought it. Like I said, I will use it. I will see what it's all about. I'll see if it's a daily driver, which I'll be using for the next couple of weeks to really understand it. A lot of times when I do these, I'm very apprehensive about gear or new gear because a lot of stuff that we already have, it just works. So I think it's a little bit of the FOMO, seeing if it's something that we need or want. It is what it is, right? It made coffee well. I don't see a differentiating factor with it, at least not yet. We'll play around with TDS and all that stuff. kind of figure it out and just play around with the brewer. So first impressions, it makes good coffee. It makes the coffee. Yeah, it does that. It's like talking about a camera or iPhone. It takes good pictures, but at what cost? Still hot. It's still hot. Again, I think that's probably what you want and paying for, to see if that does truly change the taste of a coffee. This is Oki at Everyday Beans. First impression of the UFO Dripper. And I believe we're going to have fun with it. I think once I start playing around with it a little bit more, my opinions may change. But we'll see. I'll talk to you later. Bye.